we present now Dinaspur Government College Field with my lovely two friends. Today, exam of second year, all and in college. Tell my friend thoroughly. Right now, our front side, left side, lot of Indian working. We just till now. Tell my friend thoroughly.
Nothing to say. This is the beautiful day for us because one of my friends and another Mr. Didarul who has come here and we are enjoying this momentum basically looking at the girls and looking at the present environment, this college campus. You know, behind me, as you can see, vast building and which is the examination hall because the students of the honors second year will come and enter into the hall room for their examination. And I'm praying to the Almighty God that every students can pass the examination because you know that passing examination is so difficult.
Yeah.
Basically, today is the examination of compulsory English maybe. So that's why this is the challenging for the honors second year students. So please, bro, say something.
Thank you for giving me a chance to say something. But I have nothing to say. My friend Tornikant and Didarul have said the topic, and
No
I'm
specific
also
topics actually, just
I'm also here
randomly topic,
with
yeah.
them to enjoy the
Moment.
moment
Current
at this
moment.
time.
At this moment. Yeah.
There are a lot of students come here to appear in the examination, and this is the first day of their examination, English
Compulsory.
compulsory. This is a very hard subject or exam for the
Non-English department subject.
yeah,
A non-English department student.
is for the student of uh, as the who are not in the department of English. This is a very difficult and challenging exam for them. So I'm praying for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that they can pass in the examination and they will cut a get good figure.
Good figure.
Yeah.
Now finishing our exploration, my friend, lovely friend Toruni Roy.